Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Instagram Edits app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add effects onto your edits or your video layers. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Instagram Edits on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can continue working on your previous projects or create your new one by tapping on the plus icon. Once you are taken into your project timeline, you can work on your edits right away. Now, if at any point you wish to add some sort of effects, then to do this, you will need to first tap the video layer where you want to add your effects. As soon as you tap on it, you will find various options at the bottom, and this also includes the effects. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now show you various different effects that are available for you to use on your video. Tap on any effect to see how it looks inside your clip. Once you have found your desired effect, you can tap on the tick mark in order to apply it. And now you can check your preview to see how your chosen effect will look on your video. If you change your mind, you can go back into effects and then change your desired effect right away. You can also tap on none if you wish to remove any effect that you have added. You may add your effects at multiple points within your video. You can also use the split feature if you wish to use multiple effects at multiple points in your video. Once you split it, you can assign one effect to one part and another effect to another section. So there you have it. That is how you can add effects onto your videos using the Instagram Edits app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.